Trump's tearing down the east wing, bricks and stone to the floor, building up a ballroom, but the people, they want more. He's working for the common man, no pay and no fame. He fights for us, but they can't keep from calling him by his name. He works for free day and night, he's working for you and me. Yet all we hear is they want him to get out and leave. Democrats are knocking, but they're being shown the door, because the people are still wanting just a little bit more. They're tearing up the past, rewriting history's page, saying he's the cause of all the anger and rage. But in his eyes, it's just a battle to be won, while they're all out there playing games in the sun. He works for free day and night, he's working for you and me. Yet all we hear is they want him to get out and leave. Democrats are knocking, but they're being shown the door, because the people are still wanting just a little bit more. Will they understand the price of change is steep? Or will we just keep counting as the promises he keeps? He's tearing down the walls brick by brick, it's clear. But will the future be brighter, or will we live in fear? He works for free day and night, he's working for you and me. Yet all we hear is they want him to get out and leave. Democrats are knocking, but they're being shown the door, because the people are still wanting just a little bit more. So Trump keeps working, tearing down the old, but we need answers, more than the stories they told.